So once you've added your social media icons where you want them to appear on your website, they'll have this red box around them, which just means that you need to connect your social media accounts to Squarespace. So to do this, you simply go to Settings, scroll down to Connected Accounts, click Connect Account, and then a pop-up will appear with all the different kind of social media platforms that you can connect. So when you click one of them, a pop-up will appear and it will just ask you to allow it access, or it will automatically do that if you've connected it before or if you're automatically signed in. So that's connected LinkedIn for me, and you can see that that red box has disappeared and a LinkedIn icon has appeared for me. So if I just click that again and go to Facebook, again that will open a pop-up asking for my password and asking me to allow access, and that will automatically connect my Facebook account too and add the icon there. The only thing to note, and I'm not sure if there's other social media accounts that have this problem as well, but Facebook seems to be one of the main ones that has this issue. Let me just go back. That doesn't seem to be going away. So Facebook seems to be the only one that has this issue of when I click to open this, you'll see the profile URL has automatically been put as my personal Facebook profile, which I don't want it to be. Obviously, as it's a business website, I want that icon to be linking to my business URL. So you just need to remember to replace this with your Facebook business page URL, which is probably something like facebook.com/ your business name or whatever you've set it to be within Facebook. So I'm just going to copy that and paste that where that profile URL is. I'm also going to use this drop down menu to select the page that I want it to push to as well, just in case you're publishing blog posts and you want it to publish blog posts onto your Facebook as well. I'm setting that target as my business page. So that's just really important to make sure that you check those settings with Facebook. Every other social media account seems to be fairly simple and straightforward. It's just Facebook automatically seems to do it to your personal account. And just click save once you've done that. If you want to disconnect any of them, just click disconnect, and just always remember to click save as well when you make any changes.